Does everybody see the massive bull flag on Ethereum that's building? And I do think we have the possibility of hitting $5,000. So let me just get the prediction out of the way first, and then I'll show you guys why I think we could be having few days left before we kind of break this. Here's how technical analysis works on this. You take the height of the flag, of the bull flag, you place it around the assumed breakout point, and this is where you can assess, I'll zoom in here, $5,005 is a potential range. Let me give you guys reasonings why I think this drop is not going to last too much longer. You have well money flow heading into the market right now, while price action has been trying to just make pretty much a triple bottom here. And on top of this, while you've created the double bottom or, a low and a higher low here, we are seeing trades in favor move to the upside. Something else you guys need to see is that the breakout zone detector is flashing for us, telling us that we are due for a big move in the market. Let me take this further. As far as support on here, I do think we have potential to come back down to 2,850 and then see another bounce, but I don't think we're gonna head too much lower than this massive support level you all need to be watching, which is 2,717, which is just below the support here. This is officially a break and retest, a massive break and retest inside of a bull flag, which I do think is going to head to the upside. And I want to transition you guys into risk management now. Top and bottom finder on your charts, this is how we are winning 186 wins and 0 losses. I hope you guys pay attention to this. What we are doing is we are waiting for good setups. Well, money flow is pretty decently low. I would like to see trades in favor back down to the green section again. And then when you have that, let's theoretically say the price action is there right now. Do you guys understand how we're winning these trades? We are waiting for indicators to be really low, and if we get a buy signal, this is just more confirmation, and then we're entering the market with 3 different portions. If you have $1,000, most people enter all their money into a market order. Here is what we're doing to not lose trades. We're taking a third of this, so divide whatever amount you want to put into the trade. We take a third, and we go $333 here. Literally. And then we do 333 at this price. It literally tells you live what the price is. 333 down here. So what have we done, guys? We have told ourselves we are not going to take a prideful stance in the market. We're taking a humble position that if we happen to be wrong, even though there's a lot of structure support here, and it goes down, we have insurance on our trade. Remember this and write this down, guys, if you really want to learn this. Insurance. All of our trades have purchased insurance with buy limits. So if the market goes down here and it hits our first buy limit, our break-even entry is always going to drop with us. What is the beauty of this? That this is the only strategy that as the market goes against your entry, you actually make more money. How much more money? You will make double the amount of money if the market goes against you and hits your buy limit 1. Why? Because your principal amount invested is $333. If it goes down here, you have doubled your entry with another portion. So if the market goes against you and then moves back up, you have made double the amount of profit from your initial principal investment at the market order. If you go down and you happen to be wrong and the market goes down and hits your second buy limit and comes back up and hits through your break even and goes to profit, you have now made 3 times the amount of profit of what you would have put in at the market order 1. What is the possible downside of where you don't make a lot of money? You come in here and you hit your take profit. And you do that really fast over and over and over again, and you do compound interest. Now, I've got this take profit up here really high, but what I like to do to show you guys in our membership is you guys do this. Come down and look for a take profit that is simply below structure resistance. So that's actually not bad right there. Resistance is right here. Let me turn this on because I think we'll be able to see this. Go to like a 10. Watch this. Because we're going to start pulling this zone right here. Go to a 5. And you guys can see exactly where this is at. I'm going to go a little bit lower, see if I can snag this. There it is. Okay. So if you want to be really conservative, you can get down all the way to the value here of a 2, and it will show you the price of these top points. What you want to do is take the top and bottom finder and structure this so your take profit is simply below the resistance. Guys, I'm giving you guys the secrets of how we're trading this. We have the highest win record ever recorded, 186 wins and 0 losses. It's getting into the market. The worst thing that happens here, guys, for small profit is you just make profit over and over and over and over again. Imagine making 4 and 5% over and over and over and over and over for 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 trades in a row. That's literally what we're doing. And then I'll take this off for 1 second. For the times that you are not correct, we have buy limits structured into the market where we make double and we make triple the amount of profit if the market goes against us and then heads back up. The only scenario here is if the market goes all the way back down and passes your second buy limit and keeps going down, we cut our trades, we cut them loose. Okay, we don't hold them past that. We don't do that. The point, guys, is who thinks that Ethereum is going to go all the way down to, let's say, $1,000 or $1,200? I don't think that's going to happen at all. I think we're in a bull market, and if you guys can study how we're doing this and get the indicators, throw them on your charts, and if you actually come over here into our trade setups, you guys can watch every single trade that we call out and actually start trading here. Guys, pay the $65 a month in the membership for TradeConfident.io. We will call all these trades out for you and get the indicators. I'm passionate this morning about this because, some of you guys listening, you guys just need some hope. You guys haven't, some of you guys have never won 3 or 4 trades in a row in your life. And I'm not trying to bash you at all. I'm saying we have found a system that has given a lot of confidence to traders. The Indicator Pro Pack, you need this. Okay, grab this. It will have trades in favor, the breakout detector, the color changing resistance lines, price swell money flow, and we're going to give you guys a $400 coupon code off the top and bottom finder. These are the indicators we use for all of our trades, if you guys want to know. If you guys become a member, we'll give you $150 off extra on top of the 60% off we're already giving you because you're buying them in a pack and you're not buying them individually. This is the link in the description with the fire emoji. And then if you guys start your membership with that link, you guys will be able to watch every single trade setup we take. The 14th month record is 186 wins and 0 losses. Does it make sense how we're winning these trades now? You use patience for the indicators to line up. You get an 80% chance or higher that you're going to see a pump in the market. You see well money flow low. You use the top and bottom finder for buy signals that does not work on oscillators. It is a mathematical equation to calculate these areas. And you use risk management. How can you not win 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 trades in a row? I want to pose that to you guys at the end here. You're like, well, you could just hold forever. You can do that, but do you guys realize that if you use the indicators for entries, that's actually not the case? You can win trades without holding forever. We have not used, okay, look at this. I'm taking this further, guys, because I'm passionate about this morning. Okay, this buy limit one right here, look at this. The trades that we have called out, 84.41% of all the trades that we have called out have never even hit buy limit 1. Okay, there's only 14% that hit buy limit 1 and only 1.61% that has ever needed 2 buy limits. That means less than 2% of all the 186 trades we have called out, guys, have only less than 2% have hit buy limit 2. Guys, is a light bulb moment going off for you? If you want to come on a chart and you want to spend 5 minutes, like a 5-minute workday, you open your charts for 5 minutes, you look for trades in favor in the green section, because that's an official long trade zone. You look for well money flow low, you put money into the market, split it into 3 different portions, put your take profit below structure resistance, and just let it ride. How can you not win 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 150 trades in a row? How can you not win that? And that's what we're really trying to show you guys, and Jake does YouTube videos as well, is this strategy works. And we have so much flack online of people saying it's not real, it's a complete scam. I'm like, guys, get in the membership and just trust us. God's my witness. We have never lied about a single trade here. And this should prove to you guys why this strategy is working. It mathematically just makes sense. So thank you guys so much for letting me just be passionate here, because I see so many people losing money with leverage in the market right now, because when you use leverage, you show your hand to the market makers and they can just take you out. But if you're using spot money and you're okay just doing compound interest over and over and over and over, 3, 4, 5% over and over and over again, growing your account, and the times that you happen to be wrong, you're going to make 2 to 3 times more profit if your buy limits are hit, guys. This is a strategy that will give new traders as well as advanced traders so much confidence, and you can actually start winning this week if you guys just follow some trade setups that we're doing, or just do this yourself. Guys, spend 5 to 10 minutes a day looking for setups, and you guys can literally start making money off of trading this strategy. All right, guys, the membership is in the description. There's a fire emoji next to the indicators. Get the indicators, check out. Email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com. If you need any help putting the indicators on your TradingView account and your charts, we're here to help you. Email us, okay? I love you guys. Links in the description. Start trading this. And I think you guys will see massive confidence in your trading, as well as you're going to see profits start compounding because the math equation of how this strategy works just simply works. All right, guys, I love you. Grab the indicators, get a membership, and start being successful in your trading. Bye, guys.